Delta Sky Miles Reserve Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you have ever dreamed of walking past long airport lines, sinking into a quiet lounge chair with a drink in your hand, and boarding your flight early, while others are still lining up, you are about to discover something that could completely change how you travel. Most people get this wrong, but the Delta Sky Miles Reserve Card is not just another credit card. It is a status accelerator, a comfort multiplier, and for the right traveler, a serious money saver. But here is the surprising truth. For the wrong traveler, this card can become an expensive piece of metal that quietly drains your wallet. So today, we are answering the big question for 2025. Is the Delta Sky Miles Reserve Card worth it, or should you leave it? Let's start with what this card really is. The Delta Sky Miles Reserve Card is a premium airline credit card built specifically for people who fly Delta regularly and want elite-level benefits without waiting years to earn them the hard way. It is not designed for casual vacationers who fly once or twice a year. It is designed for frequent flyers, business travelers, and anyone who values airport comfort, upgrades, and medallion status. Right away, the first thing that gets your attention is the annual fee. This is not a cheap card. In 2025, the annual fee is high enough that you should pause before applying. But here is where most people get it wrong. They see the fee and immediately think it is too expensive. They never calculate the real value of the benefits. And that is exactly where this card either becomes a hidden gem or a financial mistake. Let's talk about what you actually get. One of the biggest perks is Delta Sky Club access. With this card, you get access to Delta Sky Clubs when you are flying Delta. These lounges are not just places to sit. They are quiet spaces with comfortable seating, food, drinks, charging stations, Wi-Fi, and restrooms that are much cleaner than what you find in the terminal. If you travel often, this alone can save you money and stress. Think about how much you spend on airport food and drinks in a year. Many travelers spend hundreds, sometimes over $1,000, without realizing it. Lounge access can quietly erase a big part of that cost. But that is just the beginning. The Delta Sky Miles Reserve Card also helps you earn medallion status faster. Medallion status is Delta's elite tier system. The higher your medallion level, the more benefits you get. This includes complimentary upgrades, priority boarding, free checked bags, and dedicated customer service lines. The Reserve Card gives you bonus medallion qualification dollars, often called MQDs, through spending. This means you can move up the elite ladder even if you are not flying constantly. This is huge for people who travel for work, but not enough to naturally earn high status. With the card, your everyday spending like groceries, gas, and bills can push you into silver, gold, or even platinum medallion territory. Now let's talk about miles. The Reserve Card earns Delta Sky Miles under spending. These miles can be used for flights, seat upgrades, and other travel-related redemptions. While Delta Miles are not always the easiest to use for maximum value, they are still powerful when used wisely. For frequent Delta flyers, miles can easily translate into free trips, free upgrades, and serious savings. Another benefit that many people underestimate is the annual companion certificate. Each year, you receive a companion certificate that allows a second person to fly with you for just the cost of taxes and fees when you buy a qualifying ticket. This can save you hundreds of dollars on a single trip. In many cases, that one benefit alone can cancel out a large part of the annual fee. Now here is where things get interesting. The Reserve Card also gives you upgrade priority over other medallion members without the card. That means even if you and another traveler have the same medallion status, you may be bumped ahead in the upgrade list simply because you have this card. You won't believe what happens next when you start noticing how often you get upgraded compared to before. It is one of those benefits that quietly changes your entire travel experience. There is also priority boarding, free checked bags, and various travel protections. These may sound small, but together they add up to smoother, faster, and less stressful travel. But now we need to be honest. This card is not for everyone. If you rarely fly Delta, this card will not make sense. If you do not care about lounges, upgrades, or status, this card will feel like overkill. And if you are not willing to use the companion certificate or the Sky Club access, you will not get enough value to justify the fee. Let's look at some real-life examples. Imagine you are a business traveler who flies Delta twice a month. You spend money on airport food, you check bags, you care about upgrades, and you value your time. For you, the lounge access alone can save hundreds of dollars a year. Add in the companion certificate, free checked bags, and upgrades, and suddenly the annual fee starts to look very reasonable. In fact, you may end up coming out ahead. Now imagine you are a casual traveler who flies Delta once or twice a year, usually on basic economy tickets. You rarely check bags, you do not care about lounges, and you never use the companion certificate. For you, this card becomes a heavy annual expense that does not give you much back. In that case, you should absolutely leave it. Let's talk about one of the most powerful but misunderstood parts of this card: medallion status acceleration. Many people think that medallion status only comes from flying, but with the Reserve card, your spending can directly contribute to your status. That means your grocery bills, gas, utilities, and other everyday expenses can help you move into higher tiers. This can dramatically change your travel experience without you having to step on a plane more often. Gold Medallion members get better upgrades, priority services, and lounge access on international flights. Platinum Medallion members get even more perks. With the Reserve card, reaching these levels becomes much more achievable. Now let's talk about costs. The annual fee is high, and you must treat this card like a tool, not a trophy. If you do not actively use the benefits, you are losing money. This card rewards intentional travelers. It punishes passive cardholders. Another factor to consider is opportunity cost. There are other premium travel cards that offer flexible points and broader airline coverage, but those cards do not give you Delta-specific elite benefits. So your decision comes down to loyalty. If Delta is your airline of choice, the Reserve card can be incredibly powerful. If you are airline agnostic, you may want a more flexible travel card instead. Now let's talk about the emotional side of travel, because this matters more than people think. Travel is stressful. Lines, delays, crowds, and discomfort can drain your energy. The Reserve card quietly removes many of those stressors. Lounge access gives you a quiet place to reset. Priority boarding means you are not fighting for overhead bin space. Upgrades mean you are more comfortable on long flights. These things improve your mood, your productivity, and your overall travel experience. That has real value, even if it is not always measured in dollars. The surprising truth about this card is that it does not just change your wallet, it changes how you feel when you travel. Now let's address the question everyone is asking. Is the Delta SkyMiles Reserve card worth it in 2025? Here is the honest answer. It is absolutely worth it if you fly Delta regularly, value comfort and upgrades, and are willing to use the benefits intentionally. It can save you money, time, and stress. It can also elevate your travel experience in ways that are hard to quantify, but very real. It is not worth it if you rarely fly Delta, do not care about lounges, and do not use the companion certificate. In that case, you are better off with a lower fee card or a more flexible travel card. So what should you do next? Take a moment to look at your travel habits from the past year. How many times did you fly Delta? How much did you spend on airport food? Did you check bags? Did you wish for more upgrades? Did you travel with a companion? Your answers will tell you immediately whether this card is a smart move or an expensive mistake. If you see yourself in the frequent flyer category, the Delta SkyMiles Reserve card can be one of the most powerful travel tools in your wallet in 2025. If not, you should confidently leave it. And here is your final takeaway. Credit cards are not just about points and fees. They are about lifestyle fit. When the right card matches your life,